Hello everyone, welcome to Supreme GIS. In this video, we will learn about how to georeference toposheets in QGIS and also how to clip and merge them to create a database. So let's begin. First, open your QGIS window, go to Layer, click on Georeferencer, click on File, click Open Raster, connect to your folder. This is my topo sheet. Select one topo sheet 55E by 7, open, zoom, 4 points to georeference this topo sheet. So just zoom and click, then zoom out and write latitude, longitude, X towards east and 23. This is latitude 23 by 23 degree 30 minutes north. So just click OK. This is our point number 1. Again, see, zoom out, then zoom in, zoom to the crosswire, zoom out, again 77 degree 30 minutes. Here you don't need to mention degree and minutes. Then 23 degree 30 minutes. Okay. Zoom out. 77 degree 30 minutes. 23 degree 15 minutes. See, space 15. Okay. Then '77, 15, 23, 15. Okay. Here you have to check the transformation settings. Click on transformation settings. Transformation type, you have to keep thin plate spleen. There are several other linear, helmet, polynomial 1, polynomial 2. But for toposheet, we will keep thin plate spleen. Target CRS, coordinate reference system. So we'll keep WGS 84. This is geographic coordinate system. Then output file, it will automatically go to the folder in which your JPG is saved, and it will have a extension .tiff. Resampling method, nearest neighbor. Compression, you can choose none or pack bits. It will decrease the size of the image on disk. So I'm taking pack bits. Save GCPs, load in project when done. Check. Okay. Click on this green button and start georeferencing. Minimize this window. You will get the georeference topo sheet in the main window. So what is happening here? You can check as I'm moving my cursor, I'm getting coordinates everywhere. See. Okay, so this is georeferenced. Now, if I need another topo sheet just below this topo sheet, I'll have to georeference it first. So again, go to the georeferencer and click on File, Open Raster, similar way. Now I'll georeference 55E by 8. Open. Again, 4 corners we will choose. So click, zoom out. 77° 15 minutes east and 23° 15 minutes north. Okay. Again, one thing you have to be careful about it. While georeferencing, you need to keep first 4 points collinear. One, it's not like that. If you are taking 1 point here, so you take another point diagonally, then this point, then this point. You have to be in the point should be collinear. So first, second, third, and fourth this way or anti-clockwise. Otherwise, warping will be there and your georeferencing will not be proper. -77° 30 minutes, then again 23° 15 minutes north. Again, I'm doing the same mistake. Space, you have to give space. Okay. Then '77, 30, 23. Okay. And 77, 15, 23, 0 minutes. Okay. Again, go to the transformation settings. Keep as it is. And then OK and click on georeferencer. It will take few minutes. Okay, minimize this window. See, here I have both the topo sheets, 55E by 7 and 55E by 8. But if you see, this is the extra portion we are getting. If you switch this like this is the extra portion. This is white portion is extra, and we need to clip this portion and merge them these topo sheets together to get a complete picture of the area. So what we need to do first, we'll open a base map, click on HCM GIS, base map, and Google Satellite or Google Maps. I'm taking Google Satellites now. So you can check. I'm dragging it down. Yeah. From this, you can on off your layers. See, this is the actual lake. But what we are getting? We are getting half portion in this E by 7 and half portion in E by 8. So we need to merge them. So before that, we need to clip them. Now, after georeferencing, we need to clip area of interest. If you can see, this is our area of interest, and this is the area of interest. So what we need to do, we will have to add one vector layer, a boundary from which we want to clip this raster. So go to layer, add vector layer, go to your folder, shapefile, and clip 55e by 7 dot shape. As I have already created one boundary shapefile, you can select clip underscore 55e by 7 dot shp. shp is the extension and file type. Open, add, close. You have to keep this file below. Just double click on this rectangle to modify it. I'm taking the outline red, apply, okay. See, I am closing this 55e by 8 so that it would be more visible. This part we need, so go to the raster, click on extraction, clip raster by mask layer. Now select your file from which you want to clip that raster. So this is our boundary. Open, input layer is E by 7, rest all is okay. Now you can simply run or you can save this file. So I'm saving it, save to a file. Here I'm saving as net.if. Run. Now I'm closing this one. See, we have clipped this raster. Now I'm closing this also. What we need to do, we need to clip below. So now again, I'll add one more boundary which I have already created. For that, you need to watch my previous video how to edit and create the feature class or shape files in QGIS. I'll post the link in the description box. For now, add a vector layer here. This is .shp and file type is 55e by 8 .shp. Open, add, close. See, again click on this box, double click, choose this symbol, apply and OK so that it would be more visible. Then again go to the raster, extraction and clip raster by mask layer. Input layer is now 55e by 8 modified and clip is, it has already taken it, but you can select it from here also, and you can also load it if you have in any other folder. Rest is okay, and save to file. See this one, and I'm changing the name only. This is 81. Save, run, close. Now I'll close this one also and this also. See, this is our area of interest, but these are two files. See, these are two files and we want to merge them together. So again, go to the raster and go to the miscellaneous, click on merge. Now uncheck all the unwanted layers. We need only clip 55e by 7 underscore clip, e by 8 clip, then run. Now you can see this one file is created. So that's all for today. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Supreme GIS. Thank you.